and ginger are two ingredients commonly used in cooking, but they also offer a host of health benefits when combined. Here are some of the potential health benefits of lemon and ginger. Fights inflammation. Ginger is rich in gingerol, a plant compound with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Relieves indigestion. Lemon and ginger can be used to soothe indigestion. Ginger helps to alleviate indigestion, and lemon is rich in limonene, a compound that aids the movement of your food along your digestive tract. Reduce nasal congestion. The steam from a hot lemon ginger tea can open up your nasal cavities, which clears a stuffy nose. Relieves constipation. If your constipation is caused by dehydration, taking a warm cup of lemon and ginger tea can soothe constipation.